Hello viewers, welcome to this informative video by Simpalm, where I will be walking you through the detailed mobile app development checklist that you must follow in your quest to create your brand's mobile application. If you are a tech founder or tech leader who wants to make a mobile application, this video has all that you need to know. Point 1. Define your business objectives. First things first, you must have a clear understanding of the purpose of your mobile app. Talk to your team or ask yourself, what's the problem that you intend to solve by making your mobile app accessible to end users? Following that, take a note on how this app would benefit the users and your business altogether. Point 2. Conduct a competitor analysis. You would like to know what your competitors in the same industry are doing and how that is turning out for them. With a thorough competitor analysis, you will find out new things that you can preferably add to your mobile application. Eventually, you will be able to distinguish your mobile app from what your competitors have to offer. Point 3. Research your audience. You are developing a mobile application for the users, so learning more about your target audience is always a winning move. Adopt different ways in which you can learn more about your users' preferences, needs, or behavior. Later, you can use the data collected from this research or analysis and implement it in tailoring the design or functionality of your mobile application. This way, your end product will satisfy the UX expectations of your target audience. Point 4. Decide your monetization strategy. Before getting started with your mobile app development journey, it is important to decide on the monetization strategies you would implement alongside the final product. You have options like in-app purchases, premium or paid app version, subscriptions, third-party ads, and more. Try to invest some time in this point to decide on fruitful revenue streams for your app-driven business. Point 5. Create your feature list. Next up is creating a list of features for your mobile application. In order to surpass your competition in the industry, your mobile app should have features or functionalities that can differentiate it from what your competitors have to offer. As you have your business objective and competitor analysis report in hand, deciding on the list of features might be a fairly easy step. Think of users' actions and expectations associated with easy navigation, visual interaction, responsiveness, and more. Some general features, apart from your service-centric functionalities, that you can prioritize on your list are push notifications, search bar, quick login or sign up, user profile, privacy settings, and more. Point 6. Decide on the development platform. When seeking mobile app development, the most important decision you must make is the platform you want the app to be built. You can go with iOS, Android, or both platforms, depending on where most of your users are. Today, most business owners intend to create cross-platform apps that are capable of running seamlessly on both iOS and Android devices. Upon relying on cross-platform development, you will achieve faster deployment, cost-effectiveness, and wider user outreach. Point 7. Select the OS version compatibility for your apps. Both Android and iOS devices have their respective OS versions embedded in their devices. When deciding on developing a mobile application on either or both of the platforms, you must also specify the OS versions you want the app to be compatible with. At Simpalm, you get talented developers to help you build a mobile application that will support both older and newer OS versions of iOS and Android devices. This way, your app won't be restricted to any user, irrespective of whether they own a device with older or newer OS versions. Point 8. Branding requirements. Your mobile app will be representing your brand value, so it's better to have those branding elements handy before you get into the development lifecycle. Get your graphical designs, custom posters, logos, and other such branding elements for the mobile app ready before starting off with the mobile app development project. You cannot just add these elements to your app, but can also use them to market it across different channels, fostering more downloads once the app is ready and live. What you can do is prepare appealing screenshots of different app functions and add short descriptions to them. Make your brand logo appealing enough to create a great first impression. Publish a brief video tutorial for users to know more about the app and how to use it. Point 9. Estimate the design and development cost. When seeking mobile app development for your business expansion or initiation, everything comes down to the costing factors. Our consultants at Simpalm will help break down the various costing factors involved in a mobile app development project. We will help you understand each of those factors and give you a near-accurate price estimate for your mobile app design and development project. Point 10. Marketing strategy and associated cost. Developing and deploying a mobile app under your brand name is just one part of starting a successful business. You need an effective marketing strategy to increase downloads of your app and make it reach a larger audience base. For that, you need to decide on the channels you'll be using to market your app, such as social media, a companion website, affiliate marketing, guest posting, etc. You can also consider video marketing, PPC ads, banner ads, and other such strategies to get more visibility and potential downloads for your brand app. Point 11. Hire a mobile app development company. It is always better to delegate the tasks and keep your productive time free for the core business operations. So, we suggest you hire an experienced mobile app development company to help you build your brand platform and take care of all technicalities, regulations, and documentation. Point 12. Determine your backend server. One of the core necessities of your mobile app is a backend server and database. It is essential for you to store user details, their credit card information, profile data, messages, purchase history, and more. Some popular options for you to count on are MySQL, PostgreSQL, NoSQL, ROAR, and others. For hosting the selected database, you can opt for either Google Firebase, Microsoft Azure, or Amazon Web Services. Point 13. Assess your need for a companion website. In order to support the branding and marketing of your brand's mobile app, having a companion website can be a game changer. In addition to that, the companion website will also have an App Store or Play Store link button that will redirect users to the download page. Point 14. Support and maintenance strategy. Once your mobile app is published and ready for users to download and interact, you will be getting feedback on improvements, bug fixes, and user experiences. You ought to have a maintenance strategy in order to deliver the best app experience to your users. And for that, Simpalm offers you an ongoing support and maintenance solution alongside its mobile app development services. These were the important pointers in the mobile app development checklist that you need to prioritize before getting started with the project. If this video seemed valuable to your business ideation and method of approach, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. For more information, feel free to reach out to our consultants at Simpalm. Thanks for watching this video.